Hi guys. So it is Saturday, I think, but we are starting this vlog super late just because we have some really exciting news. We were very spontaneous today. Got my hair done. So I'm currently in the parking lot of the salon. I know it's like end of February, early March or whatever, but like this is my glow up. The beginning phases of me going blonde. It has to go in increments because I still want to have hair. But no, the real reason why we are starting this vlog a little bit late, so crickets chirping. Spontaneous. I couldn't think of it, leave me alone. Is because we got a dog. So we are going to pick him up. He's in San Diego right now. We are in Las Vegas. So it's like almost 10:30 on Saturday night, and we are gonna go pick him up first thing in the morning tomorrow. So we're gonna leave probably at like midnight, 1 o'clock this morning, drive all the way out there so that we can drive back and have him home and like get him adjusted to our house. So baby's packing. You packing for what?
Clothes just in case, you never know.
I didn't say what are you packing, I said you're packing for what?
Oh, our pupper! I'm so excited.
He's so cute and I'm literally so excited.
Me too.
But we have to go and get him right now. Other people wanted him too.
Yeah, so someone else was supposed to come get him, but if you guys come like today, then I'll save him. And I was like,
we'll be there.
yeah, that's what we're doing. We've been dreaming about this dog for like a year and a half now, and they're usually really expensive, so.
And they're usually really hard to find.
Yeah. It's so exciting.
Yay!
I can't believe it.
Anyways, we will keep you posted and updated, and we'll take you with us along the way. I'm gonna take a power nap really quick, and then we're gonna go.
Good morning, video people. Good morning, friends. It is 4:45 in the morning, and we are like halfway-ish there. I'm tired, but like I'm not, because I'm so excited to get our little nugget. Hey baby, where are we?
We're in San Diego.
We made it here. It is super early still. It's only 7:30 in the morning.
Yes, we left at 2 a.m.
Yeah, so fun. For our little puppers, we're probably gonna get him in like 30 minutes.
And we're so excited.
We're so excited. And then we're gonna get breakfast. And yeah, so when we have him, we will show you. We're literally, we're pooping our pants, huh?
I'm so freaking excited.
So excited.
I'm pooping my pants for other reasons, but it's also excitement.
So we will see you when we have him.
That's a Porsche.
Saturn! So we're sitting here waiting for this car. And
They said they drive a Saturn.
yeah, so every car we see, we're like, Saturn? And it's like a fucking Prius.
Apparently I'm really bad with knowing like the names and logos of cars though, because I swear I've seen like 7 Saturns.
And I'm like, no, Honda, Prius, Toyota. Oh my
What do Saturns even look like?
Saturns just look like regular cars.
They're just like an average car.
Also, we got McDonald's. I never eat McDonald's. I actually quite hate McDonald's, but you do what you do.
I am mad about their breakfasts though. I feel like out of all McDonald's food, their breakfast is the best.
Name is Saturn. Oh my god, this is... He was like...
This is the longest 5 minutes of my life!
When they steal your clip.
Guilty.
This is taking...
But no, I said it because I agree. This is the longest 5 minutes ever.
We're also like half delusional because we woke up so early.
We didn't even go to sleep really. We took a power nap. We like napped for maybe 2 hours.
Let me take off the dang tripod because it makes this thing look 10 times bigger. I'm like nervous.
I'm stress eating.
We were just saying that we were like, we feel like we're adopting a child, and like it's pretty nerve-wracking. There's this car.
I'm legitimately stress eating, guys. I just want it to happen already. Is that a Saturn? No, it's a minivan.
No, that's not it. Nope, that's not it.
Is that a Saturn?
Because at 9:54 they said 5 minutes. It is 8:03. Oh my god. Look at pictures of Saturn. We got a text. I'm pulling in. Are you guys standing or in your car?
In our car. But we can stand if you want.
Car. Okay.
Should we get out?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is so crazy.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I can't.
Is that it? The Saturn?
That's Saturn. Oh frick. Oh frick. Oh frick. Just keep it cool. Just don't freak out.
Be like, is your car black? I think we saw you pull up. Is that a Saturn?
Oh my god, guys, that's it. Oh my god, I think that's it.
I'm literally gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Me too.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna die. I'm so excited. I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. You're so tiny.
Thank you.
He just peed on me too.
It's okay.
Did you get his stuff? Here's all his stuff.
Yay! Oh my god, thank you so much.
You like him?
Love him.
You guys were planning on coming down here too?
No, we just were
Literally,
like,
when we
let's
were
go.
like, he's literally exactly what we've been looking for like a year.
Really?
Yes. So literally when she was like, should I tell her yes? And I was like, yeah, tell her we'll leave whenever she wants us to.
Thank you guys.
Like,
You guys have a good day.
thank you
So
guys.
much. Oh my goodness. He's so freaking teeny tiny. Okay, where's my phone again?
Oh my god, you guys. Look how freaking
Look how perfect this thing is.
He's so beautiful. Hi, baby.
And you were perfect.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got the baby. He's so perfect, like so perfect. Hi, baby.
Literally, I don't think I've ever encountered anything so perfect.
And they were so nice.
literally so nice.
You're gonna have the best life ever. Don't you know that?
Hey.
Hey,
So, we did something.
what?
We want you to meet Sirius.
What in the world? Sirius Black!
Yes. Isn't he the cutest to
Oh
see?
my god!
You're so perfect.
Oh my god!
Look how freaking tiny this guy is.
Hey,
Bro.
look at me, dogs. I'm trying to kill him.
We found him. Oh, he peed. We found him on Craigslist. He's so tiny. And so they were like, we can't keep him.
What kind of dog is he, a lab?
He's a Maltipoo.
I cannot believe how cute. How much was he? How old is he?
8 weeks.
Okay, so he's weaned off a mom.
I have to drive back because she drove down here, so she gets to hold him the whole way home.
I bet she played that card on purpose.
Yeah.
It was her idea for me to drive here, so I didn't argue. I was like, okay. All right, you guys, we got the little boy, the little baby Sirius boy. Isn't he so perfect? He's adorable. So now we're gonna go to Target and the pet store, the pet store.
Let's go to the pet store first so we can get him a harness.
Oh, you cute.
Did you just wake up? Well, Hunter and I, we did something. And we want you to meet Sirius.
Lord.
So he's gonna be a certified service dog.
It's adorable. But
This is his first outing with us. We stopped for a little poopy break, huh? Huh, baby? Oh my goodness, I heard you talk. That's a good boy. Come on. You're a good boy. He's so dang cute. Literally the most perfect puppy.
Okay, let's go back to the car. Oh my goodness! Good boy!
All right, y'all, we have made it home with the puppers. Are you so excited to be home?
Yeah.
We need to give him a bath. We need to give her a bath.
I am unsanitary right now.
We all need a bath. He's literally been such a good dog, right?
I swear, like, for a puppy his age, he's so good. What are you doing, silly goosey?
Give me a kiss. Kiss.
Give me a kiss. Thank you.
So, it is the end of the day. We made it through the first day. Yeah, we're all so exhausted, especially this one.
He's falling asleep right now.
But we officially made it through the first day with him and he did so good. He's so perfect. Yes, we got him a giant kennel. I'll show you the kennel in a second. And then
We got him this cool water filter, water bottle for his kennel.
food. It's the Rachel Ray kind.
Puppy pads. A bacon flavored chew toy bone. All natural Nutrish. Turkey bacon. Brush our hair. Can you do that? So we're gonna brush our hair. We're gonna brush our teeth every night. Cute little bed. Squishy, soft. A super cute leash for him. Serious? Hi, baby.
This is the crate we got. It's like a medium size, so I think it'll be good for him even when he's an adult if we need it. Oh, and we also forgot to show them this little metal bin we got.
Oh yeah, and we're gonna load that up with clothes and toys.
We decided to move this into this corner.
Here I am. He just pops up.
Anyways, this is us doing our outro for this video. It's been such a long day. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We hope you guys enjoyed Sirius, our new little babies. We love you guys. And if you did like this video, comment, like, subscribe. You know what to do. And we will see you guys in our next video. Bye. Bye. Bye, bubbers. Bye. Ooh, hit the camera. Bye.
Bye.